everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog day. I am heading this time to Cambridge. I have never been there. I'm just going for one afternoon actually, but I'm going to go via London. So I thought it's a new trip and I shall take you guys with me because I am going to stop in London. I am hosting an event and from there I will head to Cambridge. So let me take you along with me. What I've realized that doing these vlogs is that you guys are really seeing a bit of my work which is other than YouTube. I love YouTube. It's my passion and there are more things in my life, food related. So I didn't know whether I'll enjoy it, but now I've done 3-4 vlogs from London and it's been interesting for me to do it as well. I have to remember to film things because I forget, but hope you're enjoying it. So you know what to do. Let me know in comments and let's go to London. I've arrived in London and before I go to my event, I'm just gonna get a quick bite to eat. I've been meaning to go try this Bao London. So I'm gonna hop in quickly and get a quick bite and head to the event. So I've got some mushroom dumplings here in some kind of soya sauce. I'm here at the Southbank Centre. This is the food market. I'm heading inside the hall where the event is going to be taking place. Look at that! Thank you everyone for joining us today. Very, very warm welcome. Not just with words, but actually it was so warm today, seriously. I kept taking the layers off by the time I got here. Yeah, it was so hot.
There are some things that you eat in combination. So what I've tried to do is combine things together. I am not going to tell you what it is because I want you to go and buy the book. Because I'll just tell you one thing, that you need to make those things in your life.
Right, so the event was fantastic. I feel inspired. I had such a nice chat with Asma and it was a great event. Got to say hello to a few people, but then I had to rush out because I'm now on the train going to Cambridge. I've got a slice of cake from home that I'm gonna have and I have just got some popcorn for the train journey. So that's it. I am gonna see you in Cambridge in the morning. I'm here in my travel lodge for the night. A very good morning from Cambridge. So stopping by at Fitzbilly's. So I've just ordered a vegetarian full English breakfast. It's got halloumi, hash browns, eggs, fruit. Looks very promising. Let's see. Actually, there's a little coffee shop. I'm looking forward to this. Here's the little bakery. Right, so I've had the English breakfast, which was actually pretty decent. It wasn't the greatest. It was alright. And I have taken a piece of their very famous Chelsea buns with me, which I can have on the train later in the day. And now I am off for a little wander. How stunning is this? University of Cambridge. So we walked into a big square, a market. Gonna try and find some food here. It looks glorious in the sunshine. Lots of stalls, food, clothes, everything. I don't know if it's just a weekend market or a everyday thing, but looks great. So we found the Greek place just here in the food market, and we've gone for a chicken gyros with chips, lots of onions. It looks pretty good. Chelsea bun from the bakery.
Alright, okay. On Christian's that side.
Okay, I finished it. That was pretty decent. Ate it all. Right, gonna go for, oh god, okay. A little van. Thank you. Okay guys, so that is it. That's a wrap. I'm gonna finish the day. We are in London and I'm heading back home now. And I thought I will wrap this vlog up now. By the canal, having a soft day. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you from my kitchen for a new recipe very soon. Bye for now.